Exciting job alert. Position: Business Analyst, ROC, Amazon Transportation Services, ATS. Location: Hyderabad, ADCI, 13 says. Job ID: 2,937,183. Are you passionate about data, logistics, and business analysis? Amazon's ATS team is hiring business analysts to optimize supply chain operations, uncover trends, and drive high-impact projects. What you'll do: analyze logistics data to improve efficiency. Design SQL-based dashboards and reports. Work with Amazon leaders and multiple teams. Identify key trends and insights to optimize performance. Who should apply? Bachelor's degree or equivalent. SQL knowledge and data analysis experience. Passion for problem solving and decision making. Why join? Work with one of the biggest logistics networks in the world. Drive real-world impact and save millions for Amazon. Get hands-on with AWS, Quicksight, and cutting-edge tools. Interested? Apply now and be part of Amazon's high-impact analytics team. Tag someone who'd be a great fit. Let's help each other grow. Number Amazon jobs, number business analyst, number SQL number, data analytics, number career growth.